In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new Lovable project with all methods explained. To begin, head over to Lovable and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is where you can create and manage your projects. If you're new to the platform, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout so you know where everything is before you start. From the dashboard, click New Project or Create Project. The wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the interface you're seeing, but both options will take you to the same place, the project setup flow. Next, choose how you want to start your project. This is one of the most important parts of the setup process because Lovable may give you different starting methods, such as beginning from a prompt, using a template, or importing a repository if that option is available. The best choice depends on your goal. If you want a fast AI-generated starting point, a prompt can be a great option. If you want a more structured foundation, a template may save time. And if you already have existing work, importing a repository can help you continue from what you've already built. After that, enter a name for your new project. Choose something clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to create multiple projects over time. A descriptive name makes it much easier to stay organized later. Now configure any initial project settings you need. These settings can help shape your workspace from the start, so it's worth taking an extra moment to review them carefully before moving on. When everything looks good, click Create to generate the project. Lovable will then begin setting up your workspace. Depending on the project type and complexity, this may take a few moments, so just give it time to finish loading completely. Once your new project is ready, review the generated files and the overall project structure. This is a good habit because it helps you understand what Lovable created for you and where key parts of the project are located. From there, you can begin customizing your project by editing prompts, code, or settings. This is where your project starts becoming your own, so make adjustments based on the app or workflow you want to build. Finally, save your changes and continue building your application in Lovable. As you work, save regularly and revisit your structure when needed so your project stays clean and easy to manage. And that's how to start a new Lovable project from scratch using the available methods.